Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil. First, always dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil such as olive or coconut oil before applying it to your skin. This prevents irritation. For internal use, consult a healthcare professional. Begin with 1 or 2 drops mixed into 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. This ensures a safe and effective application, helping you avoid any discomfort. For topical use, mix 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Gently apply this diluted mixture to the skin area you wish to address, being careful to avoid very sensitive spots. Always perform a patch test first on a small area of skin to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. This method is great for localized support. When considering internal use, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional first. If advised, dilute 1 drop of oregano oil in a full glass of water or juice. Never consume it undiluted. It's important not to exceed recommended dosages, which are typically 1 to 2 drops per day. This ensures you use it safely and effectively for internal benefits. Always exercise caution when using oregano oil. Avoid its use if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking blood-thinning medications, as it can interact. Keep the oil away from your eyes and other sensitive mucous membranes to prevent irritation. Store your oregano oil in a cool, dark place, safely out of reach of children and pets, to maintain its potency and ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.